Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. Well, I don't usually post an episode on Thanksgiving, but this year's a little bit different because I actually have a turkey iron cross to share with you, so it just seemed appropriate to save it for this special occasion. So this is from our friends at Suttle-Straus in Waunakee, Wisconsin. This was designed by Christine Egren on the Suttle-Straus team, and this piece was actually a holiday greeting, and it was done right around Thanksgiving. It says shake your tail feathers, and it has shaped panel there with the feathers. Opens up, here's the wings, and a season to celebrate. May your holidays be filled with childlike wonder. A sincere thank you for your business and friendship. Then here's the turkey head. So it's kind of neat. You can see here that it is a turkey, tail, wings, head. I love the shape that it takes. And then it invites them to scan a QR code, and they will choose a charity and give a donation in their name. So this piece had a 24% response rate. They also had a Facebook challenge as well to get an additional bump for their donation. So really cool. These were printed digitally, die cut. There's also a clear raised ink on here as well, a little bit of special effects. So these were die cut and score, hand fold, and then these were mailed in a clear envelope, a square one. So I love the idea of creating a unique shape on the iron cross. So I just thought it would be a lot of fun to share on Thanksgiving Day. So that's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Turkey iron cross. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dial lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.